Are you planning a First Communion celebration and want to create a beautiful, meaningful, and elegant setup? Looking for the best decoration ideas to make this special day memorable? Whether you're decorating for a home gathering, church event, or reception hall, I've got 10 stunning First Communion decor ideas that will elevate your celebration. Stay until the end, because I'll share one key element that will tie your entire decor together effortlessly.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the key colors for a First Communion decor theme? Choosing the right color scheme sets the tone for your First Communion decor. Classic white symbolizes purity and faith, making it the most popular choice. You can also incorporate gold or silver accents for an elegant touch. If you prefer a softer look, pastel shades like light blue, pink, or lavender add a delicate and heavenly feel. Love these ideas? Give this video a like and share it with others planning a First Communion. How can I decorate a beautiful communion table? The First Communion table is often the centerpiece of the celebration, so it should stand out. Use a white or lace tablecloth to create a pure and elegant base. Add a gold or silver cross as the main decor piece, surrounded by candles, flowers, or religious figurines. For a personalized touch, place a framed picture of the child receiving their First Communion or a custom name sign. Want to see more table decor ideas? Check the description for my full list of recommendations. What are some stunning First Communion centerpiece ideas? Centerpieces add beauty and meaning to your table settings. A floral arrangement with white roses, lilies, or baby's breath creates a fresh and elegant look. Consider a tall candle in a glass holder with a cross charm or ribbon for a religious touch. If you want something unique, use a mini Bible or an open prayer book with decorative elements around it. Which centerpiece idea do you love the most? Comment below and let me know. What are some stunning First Communion centerpiece ideas? Centerpieces add beauty and meaning to your table settings. A floral arrangement with white roses, lilies, or baby's breath creates a fresh and elegant look. Consider a tall candle in a glass holder with a cross charm or ribbon for a religious touch. If you want something unique, use a mini Bible or an open prayer book with decorative elements around it. Which centerpiece idea do you love the most? Comment below and let me know. How can I create a First Communion backdrop? A stunning backdrop makes for the perfect photo spot and enhances the event's ambiance. A white or gold fabric drape with fairy lights creates a heavenly glow. Add a banner with God bless child's name to personalize it. You can also incorporate floral arches, balloon garlands, or a large cross for a statement piece. Want more backdrop ideas? Subscribe for weekly decor inspiration. How can I decorate the communion cake table? The cake table should be just as beautiful as the rest of your decor. Place the cake on an elevated stand with elegant floral or candle accents around it. Use a First Communion cake topper featuring a cross, chalice, or angel to highlight the religious theme. Add a soft table runner in gold or silver to complement the setup. Which cake topper style do you like best, classic or modern? Let me know in the comments. What are some unique First Communion balloon decor ideas? Balloons can add a festive and elegant touch to your decor. Opt for white and gold balloon arches framing the entrance or dessert table. Create a balloon cross as a backdrop centerpiece for a meaningful visual. If you want a fun twist, use helium balloons with scripture verses or blessings written on them. Want to see more creative balloon designs? Check the description for links to my favorite picks. How can I decorate the entrance for a First Communion celebration? The entrance should be welcoming and reflect the sacredness of the event. A floral arch or draped fabric with fairy lights can create a grand entrance. Place a welcome sign with a Bible verse or a blessing message at the door. To make it more interactive, set up a small prayer station where guests can write their blessings for the child. Do you prefer floral or light decor for the entrance? Drop your answer in the comments. These 10 First Communion decoration ideas will help you create a meaningful, elegant, and unforgettable celebration. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite First Communion decor picks. God bless, and happy decorating!